Showing Callagy here, 2020 vision, co-creating breakthrough dreams, crushing fear and distortion. And you may be saying like, what? Where'd the 2020 vision video bit? Well, it's a longer conversation for a different day, but we're just coming off the unblinded version. It's a little bit windy out here. I'm with the amazing, not only First Lady of Landscaping, but budding First Lady of Entrepreneurship in America. We'll say hello to her in a second, Miss Elle Anderson. But Elle, just gonna back up a sec, because I want to show, demonstrate the wind. Could you take one step back so we don't hit you, Elle?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, so this is the wind in Long Beach Island, New Jersey. Right? Better yet, let's throw the surfboard up into the air and see what happens. Back up, Elle. So we have massive amounts of wind. I went in the ocean for like 2 seconds, and Elle, what happened?
Oh, you were way down, like 100 yards down the coast.
Yes.
I mean, it was crazy.
And so, why do this? For significance? For attention? No. To demonstrate a point. And the point is that there is no humans out there in the ocean, right?
They're not even walking on the beach.
There's no humans besides Elle and I on
Yes.
the beach in any direction, right? And the point to this quick video for this morning is that what are the things that you're willing to do to make a statement in the world? Because in addition to this, I've had 111, actually, it's at least 108, might be 112, speaking engagements in the last 30 days.
Yes.
So this isn't just like, oh, okay, so you went in the ocean, you're doing something adventurous physically, which I honor, because that's what we condition our mind in. It's what are you doing in business? And you know what's cool about Elle? The amazing thing about Elle is maybe she didn't just jump into the ocean. So does that mean Elle doesn't have a high level of self-mastery? No. She took a company from $4 million, $4.5 million, to what number?
25.3 million in our pipeline as of this morning.
That is unbelievable. And how did you do that if you don't jump in the ocean and go out and beaches?
Maybe I was when I was younger, as crazy as Sean, but now I am not.
I think she was crazier.
There may or may not have been some stories about that last night. But anyway, action. Like already this morning, even though we were up like ridiculously late every night.
So Elle is surfing the wave of life. So Elle, I think you should at least stand on the board on the beach in Long Beach Island, New Jersey. Yes, Craig from SoCal, LBI. So Elle is on the surfboard. She is surfing the wave of business and life, and she is definitely crushing fear and distortion, co-creating breakthroughs and dreams. Love you guys. See you soon. All kinds of things are happening.
Woo!